So hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we are going to be going to Irvine Spectrum. So Irvine Spectrum यहाँ पे basically एक mall type है जहाँ पे with a lot of shops, for example Apple, and you can do a lot of shopping there. So let's go to Irvine Spectrum and so hello guys, अब मैं आ गया हूँ Irvine Spectrum Center पे. And if you are in Irvine, you have to come here because it is a must-to-do thing. And yeah, let's go and explore the area. और यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे शॉपिंग की चीज़ें भी हैं, सो यू कैन शॉप. दिस नाइकी हेयर, वैंस, आई थिंक अरमानी इज़ ऑल्सो हेयर. सो अ लॉट ऑफ शॉपिंग टू डू हेयर. इफ़ यू आर लाइक पर्सन हू लव्स शॉपिंग, कम हेयर. Yogurt land and a lot of stuff. And this is what the Irvine Spectrum Center is famous for, and which is the giant wheel. USA आया और चीज़ केक नहीं खाया तो क्या ही करा. सो नाउ लेट अस गो टू द चीज़ केक फैक्ट्री एंड लेट अस ईट सम चीज़ केक. So guys, I have ordered the very cherry chocolate cheesecake, and let us see how it goes. Let me show you. So as you can see here, these are all the cheesecakes here, and I have ordered this one, the very cherry chocolate cheesecake. And there's another recommendation here, which is a Dream Extreme cheesecake, which you must try. But I took this one, so now let us wait. Guys, it's here, so now let us eat it and let me tell you how it is. So yep, Okay. Wow. Seriously? Wow. मजे आ गए मजे. वाह. Couldn't finish the cheesecake unfortunately. It was huge. I mean, if you're coming to the cheesecake factory, you have to try the very cherry cheesecake, but trust me, you won't be able to finish it. Like, it's huge. It looked small, but the quantity was huge. So yeah, Irvine Spectrum हो गया है. अब चलते हैं घर. And guys, if you want to read more about this, I have made a specific blog of it, and the website name is irvinehelp.com. You can check it out. I will be putting the link in the description below. So go check it out, and इस vlog के लिए इतने ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट vlog में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.